Okay, students, what's 8 plus 2?
10, I know, it's 10.
Great job, 1. 5, this question is for you. What's 2 plus 3?
5.
You're awesome, guys. Let me write that on the board. You are so good students. I love you all so much. What's 8 plus 8?
8 plus 8 is 16.
Great, 1. Okie dokie, let's erase that and write 16. Well, 5, this question is for you. What's 9 plus 1?
9 plus 1 is 10.
Exactly. One last question. What's 8 plus 1?
9.
So good one. I'm 9, right?
Yes.
Aw, you guys are so cute. Well, guys, I think it's recess time.
Yay! Woohoo!
Well, guys, go outside to play.
Woohoo! Let's go. Come on, 5. I'm coming.
Hello, guys. What are you guys doing here?
Recess is come.
Yeah, I forgot all about that. Do you want to see my new science project?
Yes.
Look.
That's cool.
Aw, thanks, guys. Let's go and see what 3's doing.
Come on, 2.
Well, I'm here.
What's me?
Hey, guys, I'm juggling. See?
We can see that.
Come on, guys, let's go to the cafeteria. I'm getting hungry. Me too.
And me.
I think I'll have a hamburger.
I will have chocolate.
Yeah, good idea, 5.
And I will have milkshakes.
Wait, where's 4? I'm right here, guys. I came here early. I'm hungry, you know. Well, I'm going to stand right in front of 4. Me too. Well, guys, I'm just going to get myself this apple. I'm going to get some chocolate. Oh no, class, let's go upstairs. Except for me, I need to go juggle. Class, are you here yet? Teacher, I'm here. Me too. Wait, why am I in this class? I'm supposed to be juggling. Oh, that's my seat, 3. Wait, what? That's my seat. Who are you? Wait, what? I'm 5. Not you. I'm 2, Miss Poop. Wait, did you just call me Poop? No, I didn't. Who did call you Poop? 2 did. Wait, I'm 2. Not me! Guys, this is not nice. Yes, it is. Give me that pencil. Wait, what? Miss Poop! Who called me Poop again? Hey! Listen to me. I called you Poop. Wait, not me. It wasn't me. I'm going to change the poster now. Hey, why did you change the poster? Everybody's crazy. If everybody calm down, please come back to class. Sorry, teacher, class is over. Wait, what? It's been 1 minute. Exactly. When is this going to end? 1 hour later. Miss Poop! Wait! Who called me Poop? This time I'm not letting you off the hook. Wait, why does that pencil look like my hand? Maybe because I painted it? What? Oh, please shut that off.